I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and some free disk space. That lets System restore store points. Once ready, open Settings, go to System, then About, and click Advanced System Settings. From there, choose the System Protection tab. This is where Windows lists drives and protection status. Make sure you select the system drive, usually C, first. Now, click Configure for that drive to view options. This first step puts you in the right dialog, so you can enable protection and adjust usage limits. Once in Configure, choose Turn on System Protection so Windows can save restore points. This controls what data is captured. Then adjust the max use slider, allocating 5-10% avoids filling the disk while keeping several points. After applying, click Create to make an immediate restore point. Name it with the date and a short reason so you can identify it later. Creating points on major changes gives you recovery options. Make sure Windows confirms the point was created successfully before moving on. To finish, test System Restore. Open System Restore from the System Protection tab, pick a recent point, and run scan for affected programs to see changes. Once satisfied, you can schedule manual points using Task Scheduler or create one before major updates. If a restore fails, make sure System Protection is still enabled. Run chkdsk on the drive to fix disk errors, and temporarily disable antivirus that may block restore operations. These checks resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.